Hello, my people. How are they? Welcome to Bible Gist Naija, where would the gist Bible matter for PJ. If now your first time for Bible Gist Naija, I welcome you specially. So for the last episode, I tell on how Joseph to enter Potiphar house and how he take command for Potiphar house. Also, the reason I say Potiphar wife start to like him. So one day she can't monitor when nobody there around. She can't try to carry him to lure him enter inside the other. But based on God fearing boy way Joseph be inaugurate, he run come up for the house. But Potiphar come back, Madam lie. She changed mouth like saying a Nigerian politician. She be begin to talk with him not happen. Say Joseph try to do her bad thing. So na so Potiphar take send am go prison. So today gist na the continuation of this gist wey we dey so, and na the part 4 I dey carry come today. And our gist for today dey cover Genesis from chapter 40 to verse 41. This na the full story where you go find the full story. So as I go always talk, I go say make you go checkmate Bible, make you see wetin Genesis chapter 40 and verse 41 talk about. So right about now, my people, make we enter today gist. Omo, my people, life balance na just say some people no stand well na make dem dey talk say life no balance. See this matter of Joseph, one moment he dey palace for Potiphar house, the next moment in dey prison. Una see how the tori take dey play. He enter prison, begin dey chop beans wey no done, wey dem dey serve dem. Comot from palace wey be dey enjoy dey chop rice and chicken with turkey join am sef. But e no end there o. As he enter the prison so, e no waste time. The guard dem begin dey observe am say this guy na better guy o. This guy na correct guy. Now they just assign am as leader for the other prisoners wey dey there because of the correct guy wey him be. So he dey inside, don dey inside prison, e no waste time. One day like that, two other guys come inside the prison, and these two guys so they get level small because one na person wey dey serve Pharaoh food, one na person wey dey serve am wine. And so the two of them they enter prison because of say e be like they offend Pharaoh. Na Pharaoh send them enter inside prison, and e come be say na the prison where Joseph dey. So e no waste time, they don dey inside the prison together. So just dey do their normal thing, they go dey chop their beans, they go. One day, these two guys now, the Pharaoh person wey dey give am food and the one wey dey give am wine, two of them come dream the same day. One dream say e dream where e dey pour drink for inside Pharaoh cup. The other one dream say the basket wey him take carry Pharaoh food wey wan go serve am, bird come dey perch on top the basket, dey chop the things wey dey inside the basket. So as dem two wake up so, na so dem dey worried. As Joseph just wake up to observe them, see the way their face dey just dey, as dem be like people wey dey worried, wey something dey worry, wey dey just dey think, dey just dey restless. So Joseph come and say, how far? See how men dem, this one wey una face dey like this, wetin dey happen? Now the two of them just look Joseph say, wetin we go even do? Who just tell am now? So na so the one wey dey give Joseph Pharaoh food come tell Joseph say, Joseph, shey na your name be that? Joseph say yes. Say, Joseph, I dream o. Joseph say, now you dey do face like this? Tell me the dream. Na Baba God dey give interpretation o, but I fit help una. Na so the guy come begin dey tell Joseph the day, tell am say him dream o where him dey pour drink for inside Pharaoh cup. As Joseph just tell am finish, na he tell am say, now you dey do your face like this, no worry, this your dream, e make sense, that na sweet dream. In 3 days time, Pharaoh go call you back and you go resume your work wey e be say you dey pour wine, you dey pour all kind of drinks for inside in cup. Even the tombo them, you go continue to pour them again inside in cup. And so that one happy, say, hey, this guy na correct guy. But maybe as you talk, Shamu, they watch. He say na 3 days time, I be yes. So as the other one now, where they serve am food, where they serve Pharaoh food, the other guy come hear this other guy interpretation. Him too, body come dey catch am, him come dey happy. He come say, make I tell am my own too now. As he tell Joseph his own, say, Joseph, I dream o where I carry things, food there for basket, the waka, bird they come dey dey perch on top the basket dey chop the food. Na Joseph look am, he sigh, say, ah, my guy, this your own dream no make sense. So e dey break my heart say I dey tell you, but e no make sense. Na the guy say, just tell me anyhow at all at all. Na Joseph tell am say, in exactly 3 days, Pharaoh will lift your head up, but no be in a good way. Pharaoh go hang you, and bird dem go come dey chop, dey perch on top your body, dey chop parts of your body. As he tell am like this, now the guy weak. The guy weak, he no know wetin he go do. Now he just go lie down. So exactly 3 days, as Joseph tell them say it go happen for the dream, as the interpretation of their dream, exactly 3 days. And so Pharaoh sent some guards, may he come carry the butler and the other person take come, maybe the person where they serve am food and the one where they give am wine. Call them say make dem go carry them come. As Joseph see the guards, they carry them, they go. He remember saying that the dream when he interpret, say in 3 days, Pharaoh go call this other one back, give am work, maybe the butler. But this other one, he go buy am. So as Joseph see they don't they go based on the wiseness where God don't put inside am. Joseph no carry last, so now so he run go catch that one for cloth. Just tell am small, say my guy, I beg. As you dey go out like this, remember what I tell you now. The dream they happen so Pharaoh go give you back your work, but this other one he go buy am. But as you dey go so, I beg remember me. Just try it once, make you just talk small good thing about me for Pharaoh. This prison where I dey, I not do anything. Now innocent person I be. And the guy say, no matter, you know my guy, this thing where you tell me, if you happen say true, I go back to the serve Pharaoh, I no go fit forget you. But guess what, my people? Everything happened exactly as Joseph talk am. The other one where they serve Pharaoh food, Pharaoh elder made a kill am. The other one where they serve am wine, he tell am so make all resume him work. But you know what happen? This guy will say Pharaoh now, he will tell Joseph, say, you know my guy, I no go forget you. He forget Joseph. He not even they remember Joseph at all at all. So 2 years don't pass. One day, Pharaoh can't dream. He can't dream one kind of dream when don't make sense like that. That's why he can't call all the wise men. Say, if I'm gonna come, see the dream why I dream. Oh, who fit interpret am for me? All the wise men then they begin to scratch their head, they scratch their head like say lights full their hair. Now so the butler now where he just did, in brain just reset. Now he remember Joseph. Now he run, go kneel down for Pharaoh front. He say, ah, Baba, Your Majesty, he get one guy. When I been in prison, the guys have been interpret dream sharp sharp. You see the way you take send us go prison that time, and how you take bring us back, where you give me back my work, come buy the other one. Say now as we dream, now exactly the thing where the guy tell us now it happen. It happened as him talk and it just be like say now him plan everything. Now Pharaoh slap him for head. Say so you know this kind of person. Now you keep quiet here since. Now all these things will make I been throw you go prison that time because you know they think well sometimes. Hey, I beg, man, I go bring that boy for me immediately. Na so they rush, they go find Joseph for the prison. They tell am say Pharaoh wants him. Baba know who him be already now. He already know say he na person wey God hand dey for him body. So as the prisoners they come, normally now Joseph say no, wanna wait. I know if you go the front of king like this, wanna claim me first. Wanna clean me. Just be like say Joseph don't see vision for wetin will happen. He say wanna clean me first. Now they clean am, barb him hair, shave all him beard, small beard, the way he don't get, wear am better clothes, and they can carry am go showcase for Pharaoh front. So as Pharaoh see Joseph, now him reason and say, this for him mind. Or you say this boy, this one will be like this. Sure say any better thing fit come out from him mouth. But he can remember say the butler tell am say exactly wetin happen, wetin the guy tell am, now it happen between him and that other guy wey been dey work for am. Now he begin to tell Joseph, say, come near me. Joseph near him. He come begin to tell Joseph the dream. He say, I dream where I see 7 fat cows. Then the smaller cow dem wey no even big, wey no even be like say they see better grass chop. Come they chop the other 7 fat ones. Then I can't wake up, I can't sleep again, I can't dream another dream. I see 7 fat corns. But the dry one then, come they chop them. Now Joseph look at, say, Oga Pharaoh, you don't finish the dream where you dream. Pharaoh say yes, so say the thing don't dey worry me since. How far if he interpret am? And Joseph say, no worry, Oga Pharaoh, calm down. These two dream wey you just tell me so now the same thing. It just mean say seven for this land of Egypt, so say 7 years of plenty harvest go come. But immediately after that 7 year of plenty harvest come, 7 years of famine go come too. Once as Joseph just tell am like that, now he say, say you mean now wetin go happen be that? And Pharaoh now believe everything wey he talk because of say he don tell the butler don tell am say na this Joseph guy na him interpret dream for them and everything happen the way e happen. Now he say na so e be. Joseph say yes, so my Oga Pharaoh, na so e be. As I don tell you like this, na just like that e be o. Now Pharaoh come look around, come say all dis my people dem, all dis my wise men themselves, my ministers dem wey no even fit interpret dream for me, na dem fit handle dis situation? No. Na as he just dey talk like that, na Joseph just raise him hand up. As Joseph raise him hand up, na Pharaoh tell am say no worry, for as e be say na you wey interpret dis dream, I go put you in charge so that you go manage our economy, so that after that 7 years of plenty harvest wey dey come, the following 7 years wey suppose be the 7 years of famine, make e for no affect us. Na once he say, from today I proclaim you the prime minister of the land of Egypt. Everybody shout, King Pharaoh, may you live long, may your reign be forever. Once na so dem change Joseph cloth from prison cloth wey him wear to agbada. Na so my guy look himself, look around, look all the guys so they don give am immediately. Now he say, boys, let's go. As Joseph take comot there, na him go him own apartment. If you see apartment wey Pharaoh don give Joseph based on prime minister wey be, you sef you go know say God no be play person. So my people, na here we go end today gist. But before I go, I would like to share something. I would like to tell you something. You see that situation where you dey, e no matter wetin the situation be, e no matter the pit where you find yourself, e no matter where you dey at all. Baba God fit bring you out from prison, put you inside palace. Na him dey run am. He don do am for Joseph situation. You see am with your eyes. He still dey do am today. The only thing wey you just need to do na to hold am strong. Hold am strong. Hold am. No leave am, because you no get hope or you no get any other thing wey you fit do. Just hold Baba God, and that your situation, you go come out. My people, more na no go anywhere, or more na stay tuned to this channel, because for the next episode, wahala go burst, because there na how Joseph go take meet those im wicked brothers wey sell am go the land of Egypt. Thinking say dem dey do am bad, dem no know say na still God plan wey dem dey help am act out like that. So my people, if you never subscribe to our channel, abeg make you subscribe. We dey all social media platforms, Bible Gist Naija, on Twitter, on Facebook, on Instagram, and on TikTok. We dey there, Bible Gist Naija. If you never subscribe, abeg make you subscribe. Like our videos, share our videos with your guys, share with your family and friends, and also comment for our comment section, because inside this gist you get a lot of things where you need, where you will learn, and you go still laugh inside. So make you comment when you suppose comment. I beg you. This na Bible Gist Naija. This na Bible wey sabi. And so to the next episode. God bless you.